Hello! This video will introduce you to Libby, a mobile app from Overdrive. With Libby, you can read books from your local library with streamlined browsing that's made for mobile devices. Libby connects you to public libraries, making it easy to browse, download, and read all in one place. Now, let's get started. In this video, we'll start by comparing Libby and Overdrive. Both apps will allow you to access your library's ebook collection, but in different ways. We'll take a look at what makes Libby special, so you can decide if it's the right app for you. Next, we'll discuss Overdrive and when you might want to stick with the original. Once you understand the differences between Libby and Overdrive, you can choose the right app with confidence and read the way you want to read. In the second part of this video, you'll learn the basics of using Libby. Follow along and learn how to find your local library, browse for books, and download a book. In just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to read library books with Libby right from your mobile device. Let's begin by taking a look at the Libby and Overdrive apps. While you can access your library's full Overdrive collection through either app, each app provides a different experience. They're designed to be used in different ways, with unique features available in each app. Libby is designed as an ideal mobile reading experience. It's simple and easy to use, with as little distraction as possible. Libby works best from a single device when you want to browse, download, and read all from the same app. Libby also makes it easy to use multiple libraries. All of your items are in one place, including loans and holds, no matter how many libraries you use. Lastly, Libby is optimized for browsing, with more themed lists, faster image loading, and a visual interface that's easy to browse. For a streamlined, all-in-one experience on an iOS, Android, or Windows 10 device, Libby is the best option to keep reading simple, especially if you use multiple libraries. Overdrive is a full-featured way to access your library's Overdrive collection. It offers the most features, but can be more challenging to use and navigate. Overdrive is great at reading across devices, so if you want to be able to read and browse on your phone, tablet, and your laptop, Overdrive is the app for you. However, Overdrive is awkward and difficult to use with multiple libraries, so it's best if you only use one library. Overdrive offers multilingual and accessibility features, such as all boldface type and native screen reader compatibility, which are not available through Libby. Overdrive also keeps books for kids, teens, and adults more strictly separated than in Libby. If you want to make sure that your kids see only the content that's intended for them, Overdrive offers a safer browsing experience. The Overdrive app is compatible with more devices as well. If you're reading on an older device, or an operating system other than iOS, Android, or Windows 10, Overdrive may be your only option. Now that you know more about the differences between Libby and Overdrive, go ahead and choose which app works best for what you need. How do you want to read? In the next part of this video, we're going to go ahead and get started with Libby, so you can see just how easy it is to use. Before we begin, go ahead and download the Libby app. Go to the App Store on your device, search for Libby, and tap on the download icon. Once you've downloaded the Libby app, go ahead and tap on the icon to get started. When you open the app, Libby will say hello, so go ahead and say hi to continue. When you tap on the Find My Library button, Libby will attempt to use your location to find your library. If it's correct, hit yes. If not, hit no to search. I'm going to search for my local library. On the next screen, when it asks if you have a library card, just hit yes and enter your library card number to log in. Once you're logged in, it will show your library card on the right-hand side of the screen. To browse by genre, you can scroll down to Popular Collections and select a category that interests you. I'm going to choose Fantasy. To the right of each title, it will show either Borrow or Place Hold to let you know whether a book is available for checkout. To see how long it will take for a hold to arrive, you can click on the title and look on the right-hand side of the screen. This title will take about 2 weeks. When you're viewing genres, it will also include both books and audiobooks. If you're only interested in one format, you can change that by looking at the top of the screen where it says Listing Books and Audiobooks and click on the one that you'd like to read. I'm going to click on Books. As you can see from the screen, it will also let you know about upcoming releases at the very top. In this case, I would like to see only what I can read today, so I'm going to click on the Refine button on the right-hand side of the screen and select Hide Unavailable Titles. When you see a title that you're interested in, click Borrow. It will remember your library card, so you can just tap on the Borrow button to go ahead and check out your book. Once it's downloaded, you can click Open Book to go straight to reading. If you're not sure what you'd like to read, keep scrolling down. After the popular collections, you will see many different themed lists you can browse. With Libby, there's always something new to discover. Now, browse for yourself until you find something you'd like to read, and go ahead and download it. That's it for this brief introduction to Libby. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd like more details about Libby's special features, check YouTube for more video tutorials or stop by your local library. We'd love to help you get started reading with Libby.